for Algebra 2. We're still talking about logs. You're fixing to work on the maze worksheet. A quick reminder, if you have log on both sides of the equation, I have log on the left, I have log on the right. You need to consolidate things, use your properties, so that log is written once on the left and once on the right. So in this problem, I would start by saying addition becomes multiplication. The left side is going to become log base 3 of 5x, because addition becomes multiplication, equals log base 3 of 15. When you have a log on both sides, the log cancels itself out, and you're left with what was after it. So 5x is equal to 15. This is a normal equation. You just solve, divide by 5x is equal to 3. That's what you do when there's a log on both sides. If there's only a log on one side, see how we have a log over here, but there's not one on the right? Okay? You have to change to exponential. So your base is 4 to the third is equal to 2x. Take your calculator, 4 rooftop 3. 64 is equal to 2x. You now have a normal equation. Divide by 2. 32 is equal to x. You've got to keep that in mind, that if there is a log on both sides, you consolidate, so there's just one log on each side. Cancel the log, make an equation. If there's only a log on one side, you have to change it to exponential. Then you have an equation to solve. Okay, looking at your maze worksheet, the way this works, I've kind of recreated the very first at the starting box. You're going to solve each problem, and then the answer tells you what direction to go. So looking at this one, there's only a log on one side, so I rewrite it in exponential, and this becomes 3 to the x is equal to 81. And so you think about it, or you use your calculator, or whatever you want to do, and figure out 3 to what power is equal to 81. Well, 3 to the second is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81, so x is equal to 4. That means we're going to shade down this way, and this problem down here below it is what you're going to work next, which is your log 8, log base 8 of x is equal to 1/3. You would do that one next, and you just follow your maze until you get to where it says stop. So if you need an extra paper, that's fine. Show your work on a different paper, and work your way through as you're solving your problems. Do not panic if you're having problems. We'll go over this together. I will make sure that you understand how logs are working before you actually take the exam. Do the best you can. Try everything that you have, and then we'll talk about it. One step at a time. Logs on both sides, consolidate, cancel. Log only on one side, rewrite in exponential notation.